Hi there, thanks for tuning in to the Cook's Chronicles. Today, I will show you how to make guacamole. You're going to need ripe avocados, the juice of 1 lime, a tomato, a quarter bunch of cilantro, a quarter of a red onion, 1 serrano pepper diced, and a clove of garlic. And of course, with everything we cook, we will season with salt and pepper. You can serve guacamole as a dip for chips, a topping for tacos, a condiment for a burrito, or eat it all on its own. Go ahead and small dice your red onion. Do the same with the tomatoes and rough chop your cilantro. First, let's start by making a garlic paste in a mortar and pestle. This is the consistency we are looking for. Smash your avocados and then fold in the rest of the ingredients. It's important to fold in the rest of the ingredients and not smash them, or else the guacamole will come out watery and loose. Enjoy this guacamole recipe. And if you like what you saw here, hit the subscribe button, and the Cook Chronicles thanks you for watching.